Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We
Welcome
have a
back
liftoff.
to the 10X Gaming Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Tuesday, August 12th. XRP is at $3.23. Guys, let's dive right into the charts. We've had a nice green day today. Let's go to the daily. You guys can notice it's been quite the green day. We went all the way from 310 all the way up to 330. So we had a 20-cent move here today. Currently, we're starting the day off red. We're 1 hour in. And yeah, this could be a perfect bottom wick for another massive move higher. But we will we'll have to see here, guys. Ultimately, we are getting a bullish pump here. If we take it to the 4 hour, you can see that we have this kind of this channel going on with the top resistance, bottom resistance, and it's kind of like a bull flag. If we take from the bottom point up to the top here, this flagpole, and we match it up right here where we bottomed out right there, you can see, guys, that our next target is potentially 383. So if this is a successful breakout, we do need to see what we're doing is we're coming over on the 4 hour to potentially test what was resistance as support. So we could come down to 319, 320, and then continue to bounce off. So that's the bullish case scenario. That's what we want to see. We do not want to close a 4 hour candle below 319 because then that would suggest we're rolling back down. Looking at the weekly, though, we did have a green week last week. We ended up closing the week. Let's get rid of this. We ended up closing the week right at 319, 318. So not where we wanted to necessarily see it, but ultimately it was a green week. So hopefully, guys, this week is big, as it is the 33rd week of the year. We've got that 33 number coming in this week. So hopefully we see a massive week this week and continue right back up to 365 and higher. But guys, for the immediate short term, we are looking at the 4 hour coming down to retest 320. Looking at the hourly, RSI is rolling down to reset. 4 hour looking like it wants to cross. We'll see what happens there. Ultimately, guys, you can see we have this, what was resistance here. So this is our next level, potentially after the 320. So we've got the 320 range. And then from there, we've got the 315 range if the 320 doesn't hold to potentially catch a bounce. And if that doesn't hold, well then, we're coming right back down to the bottom support range, which is going to be around the 308. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let's dive right into X. I don't think we're going to go back down to 308 in my honest opinion. I do think that we will be catching a bounce around 320. From XRP, here we got 818. We got a 4-year delta coming up next week. And next week on Monday. This is from Mr. Pool. And guys, you can notice that we've gone up and then we had a straight down correction past the previous run up from November down to these support levels, and then we went straight up parabolic. So could something crazy like this happen? Mr. Pool has been warning about this happening for a long time. I know there's a lot of channels that are saying they're getting prophetic visions of a major crash down and then an immediate swoop up. So guys, what that would look like, what Mr. Pool is showing, is potentially a crash down to this trend line. You got this upward trend line, And we basically come down to it almost, passing that November run. So this is that November run. Ultimately, guys, we should go a little higher. We should come up again. We have a nice spike up, hopefully till run up through August. Get up to the $455 range before, if we do, see a major move down, potentially to 70 cents. Guys, I'm not saying that's happening whatsoever, but this picture, everything Mr. Poole has called has come to fruition. So just keep that in mind. Stellar, breaking out of a flag, targets 75 cents. That's big news. Breaking, Judge Torres has released new documents granting full approval for all U.S. banks and financial institutions to process payments using XRP. So guys, this is setting things up for trillions of dollars to enter into the market, with institutions rapidly possessing themselves into the XRP ledger. And here we go, it's happening. This is kind of what I was showing with that bull flag and the breakout. 360 next. Guys, this is exactly what I was showing you. So this is from Crypto Billaboo. He's saying after reaching the Fibonacci 1618 level, $26 to $50, it falls to 50 cents to 64 cents. So I guess the thing is, you know, are we going to go that high with this next move? So currently we're sitting right above here, around that 320 range. But you know, what does this move entail? Up to 9. You know, is it all the way up to $26, or is it, you know, potentially up to $5 to $8 and then coming down to the trend line at 60 cents? $70, $1. I mean, this could be a huge opportunity to scoop up a lot of XRP. This could happen overnight. So yeah, that would be insane. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. But the price action from 2023 all the way till now looks so similar to what Mr. Poole had posted in 2021. You got the 1, 2, the 1 spike down to the 2. The 3 was a little flat, kind of. 4, 5, 4, 5. Came down one more time, 6. And then that run up in November was 7. Consolidation we just are breaking out of right now is 8. We've got the 9. We got another run up here before potentially a insane dip. Doesn't have to happen though. We'll have to see, I guess. Always be prepared. Let me know what you guys think down below. I appreciate every single one of you guys tuning in. I will keep you updated as always in the next one. Till next time.
3 things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen, start your